Get ready to soar above breathtaking landscapes and embark on an unforgettable adventure as we take you to the heart of Carmen, Bohol Island, Philippines. Welcome to Hello Experts, where we will be diving into the exhilarating world of the bike zipline experience, a one-of-a-kind journey that lets you pedal through the sky amidst the iconic chocolate hills. Join us as we uncover the thrill, beauty, and unique charm of this incredible destination. Carmen, located on the captivating Bohol Island in the Philippines, is a destination that holds a special place in the hearts of travelers seeking both natural beauty and thrilling experiences. Nestled amid the picturesque landscapes of Bohol, Carmen stands as a gateway to some of the island's most remarkable attractions. With its rolling hills, vibrant rice terraces, and lush valleys, Carmen is home to one of the Philippines' most iconic natural wonders, the Chocolate Hills. These unique geological formations, resembling a sea of chocolate-colored mounds, create a mesmerizing panorama that draws visitors from across the globe. Beyond its renowned hills, Carmen invites adventurers to embark on an exhilarating journey, the Bike Zipline. The Bike Zipline is an adventure activity that combines the excitement of ziplining with the fun of biking. Participants are seated on specially designed bicycles that are suspended from a zipline cable. As they pedal along the cable, riders experience the sensation of biking through the air, soaring above the picturesque chocolate hills. The Bike Zipline is located within the Chocolate Hills Adventure Park in Carmen, Bohol Island, Philippines. Carmen is known for its iconic Chocolate Hills geological formations. The park itself is nestled within the picturesque hills and offers a range of outdoor activities, with the Bike Zipline being one of its highlights. As participants glide along the zipline cable on their bicycles, they are treated to the panoramic views of the famous Chocolate Hills. The rolling hills, lush greenery, and unique cone-shaped formations create a mesmerizing backdrop that enhances the thrill of the experience. The Bike Zipline employs a combination of ziplining technology and specially designed bicycles. The zipline cable is securely anchored at various points, ensuring the safety of riders as they traverse the distance. The bicycles are equipped with safety features to ensure stability and control during the ride. Safety is a priority, and participants are typically provided with the safety gear, including the helmets and harnesses, to ensure a secure experience. Trained guides and staff oversee the operation, providing instructions and assistance to the riders. The fundamental components of the Bike Zipline encounter in Carmen, situated on Bohol Island in the Philippines, as discerned from research findings, encompass the ensuing aspects. The number one is location. The second is bike zip track. The Bike Zipline pursuit transpires along the expanse of 550-meter bike zip track meticulously laid out within the contours of the Chocolate Hills Adventure Park. The next is spectacular views. Encompassing a captivating 360-degree vista, the bike zip track provides an awe-inspiring panorama of the iconic Chocolate Hills. These distinctive dome-shaped limestone formations grace the landscape of Bohol province. Aerial adventure in suspension. Integral to a suspended aerial adventure circuit, the Bike Zipline undertaking is a part of the immersive experience offered by the Chocolate Hills Adventure Park. Some of the others include unparalleled geological marvel, exhilarating adventure, suitable for all ages. Embracing a family-friendly ambience, the Bike Zipline escapade is well suited for the collective enjoyment of families, rendering an inclusive activity catering to diverse age groups. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.